The official start to summer comes next Friday, June 20th. So let's talk about that transition from spring to summer thunderstorms that we're starting to see. In the springtime, we have our jet stream and these winds are pretty strong aloft, and that creates some of these rotating thunderstorms. So you can see that jet stream is a little bit closer to Oklahoma. It comes off of the Rockies, and that's what gives us really these supercells, these rotating thunderstorms, because we have this really strong wind shear when these storms form. As we head into the summer months, though, we start to see a little bit less of these supercells because we start to see our jet stream move up a little bit more towards the north. We usually have a high pressure system that really gets into place, and that's also when we start to get into our hotter months because we have this high pressure system in place. So we still do have these thunderstorms that start to happen in the afternoon. A lot of times it's because we have a lot of daytime heating and the ground really starts to warm up. But because the winds aloft are a lot weaker, because that jet stream is more towards the north, storms rotate a little bit less. So the storms will still develop really quickly, but then they collapse pretty quickly on themselves as well. Very similar to what we experienced yesterday. You had some lightning, you had some small hail involved, had a lot of rainfall, but the storms fall apart relatively fast. And we also start to see a little bit more lightning in our summertime storms that usually occurs here in Oklahoma, June, July, and August. So remember your lightning safety tips. When thunder roars, go indoors.